Hello, LMS. I'm Mrs. Johnson, the librarian, and I'm going to share with you a book today called Something Wicked This Way Comes. It was written by Ray Bradbury, who has written a lot of short stories. He's very famous for his science fiction short stories, and he wrote in the middle of the 20th century. So I would definitely describe this book as horror as well. It takes place in Illinois, in a small town, probably in the 20th century. It is about two boys whose names are Jim and Will, and they are best friends. They live next door to each other, and they hang out all the time. And what happens in the book is that a circus comes to town. And the circus is a very strange circus, and it has some very strange people. They meet the people who are running it, which include a guy named Mr. Dark, who's also known as the Illustrated Man because he's covered in tattoos. And there are all kinds of, there's a dwarf, and there's a skeleton man, and there's a witch lady. There's all kinds of creepy characters in this traveling carnival. And the conflict plays out when the boys find out that this carnival is really evil. And the guy who runs it, Mr. Dark, wants to capture the boys to join the carnival. And in order to do this, he tries to lure them into the carnival. There's a house of mirrors, and there's a merry-go-round that goes around, and this merry-go-round is magical in kind of an evil way. It's very, it's really unsettling when you learn what they're actually doing to these kids, or even adults, people who get lured into the carnival and get lured into it. So I will tell you that if you like challenging books, if you're a good reader, and if you like dark stories about the dark side of human nature and how to overcome the dark side of human nature, then you should check it out. Then check it out.